Kneadable Eraser. When you purchase a kneadable eraser, it usually looks something like this. It could be grey and it could even be white. And what you're wanting to do is roll it into a sausage. Just using the palm of your hand against a hard surface. And once you have rolled the kneadable eraser into a sausage, you can then roll it over your work to lighten it. Sometimes we get a little bit heavy-handed when we're drawing, and we just need to lighten off the pencil a little bit. And then you just make sure, because you can see that the graphite has ended up on the kneadable eraser, that you roll it again. Just to remove that graphite and blend it in. You can also use a kneadable eraser in fine areas where you can make a point, and then you can use it to just lift off aspects of your work that you may want to emphasize, or you've drawn in the wrong area and you just want to lighten.